everyone, and welcome to our food my cooking channel. And in this video we are going to be making some lemon cranberry loaves. What we will need is 1 lemon cake mix, some dried cranberries, or you can use cherries instead, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 3/4 of a cup of water or milk, 1 cup of mashed bananas, and if you want to, you can add 1/4 of a cup of white sugar, but you don't have to if you don't want to, and some powdered sugar for garnishing, but you don't have to use powdered sugar if you don't want to either. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to take this lemon cake mix and pour it into the bowl. And then we will need to add the mashed bananas. And 3/4 of a cup of water or milk. And 3 ounces of cream cheese. And then we will need 1/4 of a cup of these cranberries or the cherries. And then with measuring stuff out, I recommend pouring some into a bowl. The measuring cup. Then leveling it out and adjusting it to the measurement that you need it to be at. If it's not exact, then that's fine. And it should look something like that. Then we're going to put that in. And then we need to mix that out until all of it is mixed up as good as you can get it. Alright, then once it's all mixed up, it should look something like this. And then we will need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And with this, we will need the dough, the cooking spray, and a bread loaf pan. And if you want, you can always turn it into a cake. And you can always use some mini loaf dishes. Or you could turn them into cupcakes, mini cupcakes, or cupcakes. But you could, or muffins, whatever you call them. And then you can turn them into whatever you want to turn them into. And I am going to turn it into some loaf pans. And you will obviously want to spray the pan before you put the dough into it, so now when it's done baking, it won't stick to the dish. And then we are going to put the batter in here. You want to fill up to where it's about halfway full, because the flour in it is going to cause it to rise some. And try to scrape the bowl out as much as you can. And that is good. And then it looks like this. We are going to bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until a fork that's poked into the center of it comes out clean. Baking time will always adjust depending on what form you want the cake to be in. Once it's done baking in the oven, it should look something like this.